Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to share with you guys how I do really natural, easy brows. It doesn't matter what kind of makeup skills you have or don't have. This is really easy. It's perfect for beginners. So if you want to know how to fill in your brows so that it looks natural, how to fill in bald spots in your brows. I have a lot of bald spots and I don't have that much hair. So I have to fill in my brows in a way to where it looks very hair-like. You don't have to go get microbladed brows to make your brows look real, hair-like, thin strokes. You don't have to do that, and you don't have to have a lot of skill because I have a product here that's going to make it so easy for you guys to do. So if you want to see how to do these really easy, very natural, realistic looking brows, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you hit the little tiny bell next to it so that you're notified of all my future videos, all videos that I'm going to do. I did do this makeup tutorial, so I will link it in an iCard, or it will be coming up next if it's not up already. So make sure that you're subscribed to see that. If you want to learn how to do super easy brows, then let's just go. Okay, this is so simple. You're gonna be just absolutely amazed. All you need is three things. One is an eyebrow brush. This is It's Likely Makeup Furless Pro 1E. Just something to comb your brush up, like your brows up. You can use an old eyebrow dual-ended brush if you want, a spoolie. Then you're gonna need the actual product. This is the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I'm in the shade Spiked. I love this so much. It is absolutely amazing. And then you're gonna need a brow gel. I'm using the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. This is cement. It's going to make your brows stay into place, which is exactly what you want. So let's get started. How do we do these super natural, fluffy type of brows? I'm gonna show you. So the first things first, I'm gonna comb it. I'm gonna comb it whichever way I want my brows to go, and I'm gonna make sure that it has the shape that I want to do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna shake it up. This MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint, and I'm going to start. So I'm going to start first here, and then I'm going to work my way out. And it's so important that whenever you start, wherever you put this brow tint, that's where the brows kind of start on my brow already, because that's going to make the darkest line, and it's going to look like you have brow hairs coming out from whatever spot you put your brow or your MAC Shape and Shade first. So I'm going to put the most pressure, and it's not a lot of pressure where I first touch it, but then as I swipe up, I'm going to get lighter, like lighter pressure, and kind of go away from my face like this. And that's going to give me that fluffy brow, and it's going to look very natural. Like you can tell, this looks like I just have hair, but this is how my brow really looks. So it's just absolutely amazing. Add more brow hairs. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing as I go. Get shorter and shorter. And I'm just going to keep on doing the hair-like strokes. I'm kind of focusing around here first, and I'll go on top and kind of focus on that in a second when I've created my shape. Once I've done that, I'm going to comb it down, and I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to start filling in brow hairs. And you can kind of see where the brows kind of start and where I'm missing brow. That's where I'm going to fill it in. So now we're focusing on the top to give us that top shape. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to comb it normal again. And you can see how full and naturally full my brow looks. Like that. So if you want, you can switch over to the back and have this little bit of powder and just kind of add a little bit to the tail of your brow to make it more full. But I don't find that I really need to do that. Once you kind of got that kind of shape and whatnot, you've added as much as you want added in. You can always go in, if you really want it to be really crisp, go in with concealer. I want it to look really, really natural. So I'm just gonna go in with my brow gel and I'm gonna start to comb my brows the way I want them to sit. I like to comb my brows up, and they're a little bit long right now, and then I just kind of go over top of them and kind of sit them where I want them to sit. Kind of like that. And we have a super natural looking full brow, and it literally looks like it's my hair. You can't even tell. This is my real brow. This is fake. Real, filled in. So this is how the brows look after I have a full face of makeup on. Super natural, really beautiful, really realistic. I'm telling you guys, in person, I always get asked, are your brows microbladed? Are those your real brow? No, they're not, honey. I'm very bald up there. So this is really, really easy. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys thought it was easy and you like these makeup lessons, give me a like and feel free to comment below and tell me what you want to learn. What do you want me to teach you? Is there something that you're struggling with, that you need help with, or that you want a different perspective on? Let me know in the comment section. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support and your love and for hanging out with me. I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.